Hey there, Glenn Morris from the Smart Energy Lab with an important public service announcement. Yeah, see this lovely Fox ESS inverter, the H3 Smart, it's the 15 kilowatt unit. It has got exposed DC cables. How do you solve this problem? These battery cables, which are over 120 volts, in fact they're over 60 volts, you have to mechanically protect them. Well, how are we going to do it? Ta-da! Fox have done it again. They produced a cover that's designed to protect the cables. So not only does it look great, but it makes it compliant. And of course, at the battery end, they've also produced a cover to go over. Because Australia is a tough place to meet all the regulations. We've got, some of the highest standards in the world, and we're very, very particular about safety of battery systems. Now, just a little reminder to installers out there, you probably know that with installing a PV array, you're allowed 300 mils of mechanically unprotected cable, just like this. It's so you can plug and unplug, but that 300 mil exemption does not apply to battery cables that are over 60 volts, DVC-B or DVC-C. So these cables, probably more like 400 volts. We have to have the mechanical protection. So this solves the problem. Thanks, Fox ESS.